tried to wipe it off. She thought about it. She was like, ah.
Way to work out of it, Brett.
Good job, Brett.
Way to work out. Good job! Good job! Trust your players, let's go! Swing the bat! Leg it, leg it, leg it! There, man. Nice play. Good job. Yeah, good pick. Nice pick. And a boy right there. Good job. Oh, stay in play. Good job, Dominic. Good job. Good boy right there, Frank. Good swing. That's a good swing. Get up, ball. Get up. Yeah, baby. Yeah, Brad, good swing.
Let's give both these teams a great round of applause. A super ball game between two fine teams. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Everybody drive home safe.